I got the plan. You hear me, man? I got the plan. He gave me the plan. Got it in my hand. In the other hand, I got the world, man. Are you coming with me? Are you gonna take the road, the wrong turn, man? Trying to make it to the promised land. I hope you feel what the fuck I'm saying. This ain't a joke. This is real life. But this ain't the right life. If you don't find yourself, remind yourself who you was. Somebody else. How you know I'm gonna be? I come from the soil and them trees. I bleed indeed. They come in threes, but they come in foes. Cause that's foes you won't know. Loyalty, honor, respect, royalty. Before you had a royalty, you gotta have the loyalty. Can't you see? I'm in the streets. I'm gonna bleed. The game I ain't never gonna cheat. The pussy I'm gonna be. One D, watching me do my thing. Switching lane to lane. I don't need no motherfucking piece or no chain. Do my own thing. But let me bang. Cause I don't even bang. I just claim organization. It's all about the nations. Gotta have patience before they take it. Cause we living in the revelations. We ain't gonna let these niggas make it. Oh, ain't gonna let them take. I done shake, I done skate. Got my name up on the plate. It ain't a Jeffrey. It's Jesus, please. Jesus deep up in me. I'm in the streets. You can't see me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nation.